Hey, welcome back to another Design and Flow video. My name is Sam, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add new users to your WordPress account. Let's go. Adding users to your WordPress account is actually really simple. All you have to do is head on over to the left where it says Users, click Users, and here you'll see a list of users or subscribers, admins that are currently on the website. If you want to add a new user to your WordPress website, all you have to do is click Add New User. When you click Add New User, you're going to come to this screen. You can create a username for them, provide their email, first name, last name. If you want, you can add a website. You can generate a password that you can copy and send to them. And if you have SMTP set up on your account, you can actually send a user notification to their email about their account. And the last option, which is the most important option, is the role of the user. There's 6 different user types that are common on WordPress websites. First being subscriber, viewer, contributor, author, editor, and administrator. And when you're done, all you do is click Add New User. And with just a few clicks, you've added a new user to your new WordPress website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next videos.